From a very simple standpoint, I think the biggest thing is they don't move their belongings. So they
Mm,
just get started, they jump right in, they're like, all right, I'm painting. And
mm,
a lot of their personal belongings don't get moved to the so if they were having a professional come, they do. The guy, hey, I don't have access, I can't paint these walls. So usually if
mm,
they're hiring a professional, they typically will move things. If they're painting themselves, they just jump right in,
mm,
and what goes along with that is not setting aside, a proper amount of time or creating an
mm.
environment to paint in. They leave
Right,
their pets running around the house.
Yeah.
If they've got young kids, they don't plan for what they're going to be doing and everything,
right.
where they
Mhm.
should go. Maybe they should call grandma or grandpa up and say, "Hey, we're dropping the kids off for the day." So that type of stuff they don't
Mm,
do. And then I think one of the other things is they just don't apply enough paint, or they
mm,
expect one coat. Oh, this is going to cover its, one coat coverage paint. So they just apply one coat and they try as hard as they can to get that
mm.
coverage with just single coat because they don't want to take the extra time for the second coat.
Mhm.
Right.